Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So in previous class, I had started the Unit 4, lesson number 3, the fire that would not burn. So I explained to you the 2 pages, 20 and 21, that story was in palace had become cold, so they don't have the fire, so the king ordered the messengers or in the palace to go and bring the coal from the kingdom whenever you get. After that, the messengers was ready to tell, just while he was ready, a light for the palace fire, that sound he started to tell and went to down to the hill. So now page number 22, children, open, and I will explain to you remaining of this story. Listen carefully, keep finger on line. Here are glowing coals for you, said George, whose father looked after the forest, and tell the king that we want as many gold pieces in return as there are lumps of coal, and some extra ones if he will add them. So that first messengers went to the one house, that is the George, one boy named whose fathers look after the forest of the kingdom. So that boy George was telling the messenger, if we can give the coal to you if you give gold pieces to us, and some extra also can add with them for this condition. Next, so the messenger put George's red coals with the tongs inside his lantern, and he started back to the palace. He had gone only a few steps, though, when he saw that the coals had turned cold and grey, so he had to throw them beside the road and search further. So what happened? The messengers, that George has given the coal to the messengers, just few steps after it was became cold and grey. It means it's not working, it's not give the fire to the lantern. So he had throw the coal in the coal in the road and search for next. A bright light shone from the fire in Harry's house. Harry's father was one of the king's guards, and when he heard the messenger's call, a light for the palace fire, he opened the door and asked him to come in. So the Harry, another one house, Harry, who is Harry? Harry's father was the king's guard. So he had heard the voice of the messenger, a light for the palace. So he opened the door and asked the messenger to come inside the house. Fill your lantern with our coals, Harry said, and they will surely light the fire in the palace. Tell the king, though, that in return for the coals, he must make my father captain of the guard. So Harry was telling, I know, surely our coals, you can take coals for your lantern, and definitely it will give the light for the palace. And tell the king, although you have to tell the king, for return the coals, he should make my father the captain of the guard. So head of the guard have to make my father. Condition did. The messenger took the coals and started back to the castle. He had gone but a little way, though, when he saw the coals from Harry's fire were no longer burning but had turned to grey ashes. So he emptied them out in the snow and went on down the hill. But his search was a hard one. Few of the coals he was given would burn, and no one wanted to give them for free. The messenger took the coals and started to the castle road, but very few little way after it, that Hari's fire also became grey and it started to ashes. So he emptied, he took all and threw in the snow down the hill. But his search was hard one. He was still now determined to search the coals. Few of the coals that he was given would burn. See, few given the burn, that one also not giving free. He want his father make the guard, captain of the guard. So next, page number 23, children. At last he came to a tiny house on a brick side of the hill. The wind blew down through the old chimney and the frost had crept in through the cracks in the wall. The door opened at once when he knocked, and inside he found a little girl stirring porridge over a small fire. So at last one tiny small house, that house beside the hillside, and the wind blew down through the old chimney. The old chimney smoke was coming, kitchen smoke, that old chimney, and the frost had crept through the cracks. That house wall became cracks, means old house. The door already opened, just he knocked once, the door opened, and he found a little girl staring. He was stirring the porridge. Porridge means one type of liquid food made by barley, oats, like that. And over a small fire, very small fire was there, and she cooked the porridge. Next, a light for the palace fire, she repeated when the messenger had told her what he wanted. You may have as many coals as you like, although we have few large ones. I am cooking dinner, she said. Do sit down and warm yourself and have a bowl of warm porridge before you start out in the cold again. Then you may have half of our fire in the king needs it. So that girl was telling a light for the palace fire. Before wanted to tell something messenger only, she replied. And she told, okay, I have very small fire, but you have more large. But now I am cooking the dinner. When I finish that one, before you sit and have the porridge, one bowl of porridge, and make it cold again to get the relief from the cold. Then you may half of the how much I have fire, half I will give to you for the king's how much need. The messenger did as the little girl told him, and then he lifted one small bright coal from the fire and put it in his lantern. The messenger, whatever the girl told, that as it is he did, and he lifted a small piece of coal and put in the lantern. It will never burn all the way back to the palace, he said to himself, but with each step the coal grew brighter. It cast pink shadows on the snow as if the spring were sending wild roses up through the ground. It made the dark road in front of the messenger as bright as if the sun were shining, and it warmed him like the summer time. When he reached the palace, the coal still burned and glowed. As soon as he touched it to the grey logs in the fireplace, they burst into flames, and the palace fire was kindled again. So what happened? That messenger was telling himself, it won't give the more fire. It is a small piece. How much it will give the fire? So, but when just he went one step, it will become grew brighter, and the pink shadow of the light, it is sending the full road became someone through the roses of the ground, and the dark road in front of the messenger became bright like sun shining. That warming he was getting. And when the summertime, how much we are getting the warm for the sunlight? same he was feeling. When he reached the palace, the coal still burned. In that much road also he went to the palace. That much the coal was burned, with glow, means very shiny. As soon as he touched it to grey locks, when he touched in the grey locks, the palace. See, did you see the picture? White color that palace fire is there, that place. When he touched there, it has become fireplace and burst into the flames. With more blast, full fire became that palace. And again the kindly again means palace fire again started to glow. Next down passage paragraph, children. The palace people wondered why the new fire made the kettle king so much more sweetly than it had ever sung before, and warmed the hearts of the palace folk so that they forgot to quarrel. At last, when they talked it over with the messenger, they decided that it was because love had come from the cottage with the coal and was kindled and burning now in the fireplace. So what happened? The people all are worried, wondered how it was became a small fire, small piece of coal given that much light more sweetly, and they are singing their kettle song very sweetly, and nobody had never quarreled to each other. They forgot quarrel to each other. So at last they talked and decided to talk with messenger, and they decided that love of that house, that cottage, a little girl had shown her love to that fire, to the coal of piece of coal. That's why it is giving the fire to the palace with the coal and the kindled and burning now in the palace fire. Again that palace became fire and burning again. So it is everything showing the love and affection of the people. So now children, this is the story. Now I am telling you, see the learn words. I written learn. You have to learn the words for your exam. You have to practice at home. By heart have to do that one and underline the new words. Page number 20. See, I underline already. If you watch the video, you can see fountains. Page number 20. Fountains and cheerful. Underline I did. Page number 21. Quarreling, wrapped, commanded, castle, lantern. I repeat once. Quarreling, wrapped, commanded, castle, lantern. Page number 21 over. Turn the page. Page number 22. First, glowing, George. Lantern already over. Next, down, emptied. Next, page number 23. Old chimney, stirring porridge, kindled. You can get in your book when you have see the video means you can get the underline words. You can underline in your book. Next, page number 24. Quarrel, cottage. Okay. So children, you have to read the lesson carefully, and which words have doubt, you can write down in your books. So bye children.